Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Thought I'd just show you this plant. It's a Hebe. Now for those of you who don't know Hebes, these originate in New Zealand on probably storm-worn cliffs, shall we say. They can take a bit of a beating. They're quite tough, hardy plants. Just need well-drained soil, but they'll thrive in an open position generally. Well-drained is the key with these, so they don't get waterlogged roots in winter, and they thrive. They'll form small mounding bushes, 60 to 100 centimetres tall, depending on the variety. You can keep them clipped and shaped, or you can even use them as low ground cover. Other varieties are shorter. This particular variety is more of a shorter one, so named Celina, and she'll reach perhaps 40 centimetres tall. Nice low mounding bush, and in May, June you get covered in these little white flowers. Really looks quite nice and delicate, and the rest of the year you've got the form of the evergreen shape, small ovate kind of leaves. So they do really well in borders. You can use them in pots and things as well, on the balcony even, because they'll take wind and all of that up there. If you've got a flat and you want some plants or something in a window box even, they will survive in those conditions. But yeah, the main attraction is the abundant sort of flowering in May and June with this, and then the evergreen structure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.